And as you can see, stuff's already coming down. So yeah, this thing was clogged. I don't know how many pulls it'll take, but I'm hitting some stoppage, so I have no idea what I am hitting. I guess I can pull this out and see if it clears a little bit. Yeah, okay, I would say I was a little bit clogged. If you have asthma, I don't recommend you doing this. I haven't turned the drill on yet, I'm just doing it by hand. Let's go one more pull here. Nice thing about these poles is they're flexible, so you can bend them. Come on, get in there. One more time as things collapse around me. This is why the dryer wasn't dry. Oh my goodness, it's getting worse. Blah. Now, this is very important. You'll notice that I was clockwise turning these. It smells like cat pee down here too. I don't know what that was. It's a very tight little space. Hopefully that's the vent cap that's up on the roof, wherever it might be. So now the thing is, I told you all that I tightened these all clockwise. So make sure when you turn the drill, you turn it into the tighten position. Not the untighten position, because you don't want to unscrew this up in the pipe there and get it stuck. So here we go. One more time, just for fun. That's the top. Okay. Now we're cooking with gas. Here we go. Yeah, you want to avoid that. Because this dual will rip your arm off if you let it. Don't worry about these poles, you can't damage them. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to take them apart one by one, but still spin it. Yeah, well, this is what I told you about. If you're an asthmatic, don't do this. Oh, jeez. Come on. That one's being difficult. This one's okay. Let's see if I can get out and not lay on this crud anymore. What? Wow. It's being difficult to twist off because of this long tail that I've got on it. Alright, now once you take this off, what you can do is spin her down. That cleans the pipe downward. It's not fun, but gets the job done. Pull it out as you spin. I think my brush is right there. Yeah. One more. Ah. We're good. Alright. That takes care of our pipe. And then just for fun, let's go ahead and do this. And clean this tube out. Wow. Yeah, wear your old clothes, because this is definitely not a clean job. just to give it an extra cleaning, I'm gonna do this.